Okay, y'all, everybody been asking me about these jeans, and I'm finally gonna give y'all this tutorial, baby. I have been seeing them around, and I was like, I had to recreate them. I love them. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I seen these videos on, I think, some other story, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta recreate these. They so bomb. Okay, so here's the back. They're kind of like some basic jeans, and in order for me to get the look I wanted, I had to use like 2 pair of additional jeans that I just had left over. They actually was a size like 3X, and I'm just gonna cut the front of the jeans out. I did kind of mark where I kind of wanted. I know I wanted the top to look like, to give like a bikini line. So before I cut my fabric, I just, I wanted to use this little wax paper that I had to kind of give me the design that I wanted to go for. And if you're doing something like this, you will always want to do this because ain't nobody trying to mess up no fabric, okay? So I just, made it how wide I wanted. And the good thing about it is I only had to do this twice. So I only had to do this leg, and then I did the other leg. And right here, I'm just flipping it over to make sure that they're even because I'm going to use this one piece of paper for both legs. And as y'all can see, I am making the design a little bit longer than the jeans because I wanted to give it length. I didn't like how high the jeans were. Well, they weren't high, but I just wanted them to be longer for when I wear heels or just to give it like an extra look. And make sure y'all pin it down so that the paper is not sliding everywhere. And when I'm cutting it out, I'm doing like a 1/2 inch of seam allowance around the S design because I'm gonna, sew it with the top stitch to make sure it looks neater. See? That looks a lot better than just having a cutout piece of fabric. So now we're on the second pair of denim jeans, and I'm using the other S or zigzag design that I cut out, making sure I pin it so that it's not sliding for when I do cut it. We don't want any issues with that. We want to make sure we can use as much fabric as possible. And y'all, like I say, these jeans are 3X, baby. Do you see how much fabric I'm using? And then the girl asked me like how much I would charge. I was like, baby, if you want to make them yourself, I got a tutorial that I'm ready to post on YouTube, or you can go get the cheap pound that I seen for like $115 because I was really looking off of her charging her $150 to $175 to make these. You know what I'm saying? Like, look how much jean denim fabric that I'm using on this pair of jeans. Like, why people think that we supposed to do all this work for a fucking $100? Like, I spend $100 on a pair of jeans from clothing stores all the time. That shit is really nothing. And to make this and sew it, girl, go ahead, buy you some from Fashion Nova or something.
You better run.
I want all night. Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will come through and should.
Okay, y'all, so after we pin it on each side, I just wanted to try them on to see how they look. And can y'all see like how me sewing that 1/2 inch of seam allowance just made it look neater. I mean, I could have did it a little bit better, but this is my first pal and I was just practicing. But do y'all see how much neater that looked than just cutting out the fabric and sewing it to your jeans? Like, we don't want that. We still want it to look professional. And, you know, we got the zigzag look going on. Make sure you do your denim in and out, in and out, in and out. So now I'm just going to show y'all where I'm sewing. And it's basically going to be down each one of these sides right here. And that's pretty much it. But I did want to add, you know, something to the back because I felt like it was a little plain. So I just took some pockets and sewed them to the back of the pants. And this is the final look. Like, I love them, y'all. I got so many compliments with these. And I like that they're not too tight. You know, they long. They, like, perfect. Like, I love these so much. And I just was, you know, playing with some looks. You know, different glasses, different things, just getting my little model on. So I'm trying to figure out what else can I wear with these, y'all. Like, what y'all think would go bomb with these besides like a denim top? You know, maybe like a crop top, a little bra top. Like, let me know what y'all think in the comments, and please tag me in y'all videos. If y'all make these, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all seen them, but look, if y'all make these, tag me. Go ahead to Instagram and tag uboss_collection, the letter UBOSS_collection, so I can see y'all do it. And, you know, we trying to save money, period.
I wanna all night. Say it.